happy Thursday. Today I'm going to be doing a sultry Valentine's makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be starting off with the HUDA Beauty Jelly Primer, just putting that on my nose and the areas next to my nose. I've really been enjoying this product. I feel like it does make those areas a little bit more flawless. So after that I'm going into foundation. This is my favorite foundation combo. If I'm wearing makeup nowadays, this is what I use. GIORGIO Armani Luminous Silk and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I like the matte and poreless on its own, but the luminous silk just adds a little bit more of like a skin-like texture and gives me a little bit of a glow. So I love this combo. Beautiful. That's why I'm wearing it on Valentine's Day. I have also been obsessed with the MAVEN Beauty Cream Eyeshadow in Alpaca. This is my perfect shade. I've been using it to prime my eyes recently. I have not used my Urban Decay primer in forever. So really been enjoying this. You guys should check them out. I did a whole video. Then I put on my eyebrows. I always skip the eyebrows because I feel like it's boring. But now we're going in to the Soft Glam palette by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. And I'm starting off with Orange Soda. This is my transition, like blending color. Honestly, this is not my favorite palette at all. I feel like it's kind of hard to work with these shadows, but I feel like this palette would be good for Valentine's Day, so that's why I'm using it and I want to get more use out of it. So I picked up Burnt Orange, put that in the crease. I didn't really know what I wanted to do honestly for this look. I was like, let me just pretend I'm going out to dinner and let me see what I come up with. So that's what I did today. I took Sienna, which is actually one of my favorite Anastasia shades, also put that in the crease. You guys know I love to mix my shadows. So I had to use the shade Sultry. It's just so pretty. It's a beautiful bronze. I wanted it all over my lid because I did want like more of like a smoky, you know, sultry look. So I'm just putting that all over my lid. I was a little messy with this shade. You guys will see a little later, but I cleaned it up with concealer so you don't have to worry about it. Then I'm going into Cypress Umber and I just put that in the crease a little bit just to give more of like a blend between sultry and then my transition colors. And I really like the way it turned out. Like I said, this is more of like a smoky, sultry vibe. So just went back and forth, my Sigma E25 favorite blending brush. And then I wanted to just lighten up the inner corners a little bit, not crazy. So I used Rose Pink and it added, you know, a little pink vibe kind of for Valentine's Day, very subtle. And then of course going in with my favorite concealer, Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. My concealer routine, you guys know the drill. I'm using Tempera for my brow bone highlight, but also just to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow a little bit. So I was gonna leave the look as is, but then I'm like, no, I need a little something extra. So I took the black in the palette, it's noir, and I decided to do like a smoky-ish wing. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be a little, just like smoky, you know what I mean? I hope you guys know what I mean. That's the only way I know how to describe it. So I just put on 2 little wings, called it a day, and then I'm using my favorite setting powder right now, this e.l.f. HD powder. I'm not sure how it works with flash, but on camera this is beautiful. So now for the lower lash line, I took the black, just lined the outer third, and then I went ahead, I blended the black out with Rustic and then a little bit of Burnt Orange, but mainly Rustic. I'm adding some black eyeliner to my waterline, just the outer third. You guys know I have small eyes, so I can't go all the way in, but gives it a little definition, and then put on some false lashes. These are the Demi Wispies, my favorite, by Ardell. Then we're going into bronzer. This is the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer, one of my favorites, and I just like to bronze up my cheeks and my forehead. I've also been bronzing up my nose a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm not like, you know, the TikTok and Instagram people, but I did, you know, chisel it out a little bit. And then I'm going to go into blush. I used this trio from Tarte. I love these trios so much. I used Into You and Playtime. I mixed them and then that's what I'm putting on my cheeks. Love these trios, guys. If you could get your hands on them still, I would totally do it. Now I just baked and then I'm using Cookie by Benefit. I love this highlighter. It can be a little intense, but I like it either way and I love the colors. So love this highlighter. And then I just put it in my inner corners too. Give the eyes another little extra punch. And then I'm blending everything out. Okay, so for lips, I'm using this Milani lip liner in Most Natural. I don't even think they sell it anymore, but it's my favorite lip liner. And then I used Kylie Cosmetics Candy K on my lips. And then boom, Valentine's Day makeup done, guys. I think this is beautiful. It's sultry, it's sexy. And I hope this gave you guys an idea of what you could do for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!